world's greatest actor doesn't need a stage, 'cause they're so good at their craft that nobody knows they're fake. The fools had no clue, the one they knew was just a fraud, the master of pretending to be something that they're not. But as the years go by, the actor starts to change, as day by day they live their life like all the world's a stage. Their true self mutilated by their permanent new mask, but by the time they realize it was too late to turn back, the world's greatest actor despises their new form. Through their practice act and smiles they got much more than they bargained for, for as they turn back to their unsuspecting crowd, they thank them for their patronage and take their final bow.